Stop making the same old boring whiskey sour.
This is about to be your new winter favorite.
Intro. What's up, everybody? It's your boy Joey.
And it's your boy Kareem.
And these are the last, possibly 2 videos of our 30-day, 30 video challenge.
But not our last forever, but for the month.
So we're making today cranberry whiskey sours. Let's get started. So for today's drink, you're going to need a couple different tools. You're going to need your shakers. You're going to need both strainers. And you're going to need your jigger. So make sure you have that all ready to go. Now, ingredients-wise, you're only going to need 3 ingredients. Actually, make that 4 ingredients today. So we have a secret ingredient. The secret ingredient is what's actually going to make the drink very smooth. Okay? So what you're going to need is your favorite whiskey or bourbon. You're going to need a sweet and sour mix, or if you want to make one by scratch. I'm a big fan of making it by scratch, but you can do whatever you want to do. Today, we're actually going to be using a sweet and sour mix. And you're also going to need some cranberry syrup. Kareem took the liberty of making the cranberry syrup for us. Now, the secret ingredient is going to be an egg white from an actual egg. So I'm going to show you how to separate it all, and we're going to put it into the drink. So let's get started with today's drink. So as always, I'm going to show you how to make the portions for one person, but I'm going to double up everything for me and Kareem. Now, you're going to need 1.5 ounces of your whiskey or bourbon. That was 1 ounce. And our little top here automatically pours out 2 ounces. So I'm just going to pour it straight like this. And hopefully it stops, because sometimes it wants to, sometimes it doesn't. There you go. I'm always happy when it stops. For your sour mix, you can do 3/4 ounce of sour mix. For both of us, it's going to be 1.5 ounces. So this is a 1 ounce cap. So let's do that 1 ounce. And then I'm going to do 1/2 ounce from the jigger. Pour that out. And for our cranberry syrup, this is going to be 2 ounces for your drink, 4 for the both of us. And now for the secret ingredient. You're going to take your egg, you're going to crack the bad boy open, and you're going to slowly let the egg white drip out by lightly passing the egg from one shell to the other, and so that all the egg white itself falls out. And the rest, you can just chuck it away or do what I did and just eat it. I'm not doing it now. Now, if you're making this for yourself, you would need 1 egg white per person, right? But Kareem and I wanted a little bit more of the flavor. We still want some of the silky smoothness, but we want more of the cranberry to come forward. So we only use 1 egg between the both of us. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a dry shake. Now, we call it a dry shake because we're not putting ice in there. Personally, I like to put something in there to agitate it. I would put this in there because this does come off, but I'm not going to take it off today because it's a pain in the butt to put it back on. So I'm just going to shake as is. Then we're going to add our ice. And shake with the ice in there. Ooh, it spit at me. Now we do that so that the egg kind of gets extra frothy in there. Let's get our cups. Add the ice cubes to it. If you have the large square ice cubes, use that. Or like the circle ones, use that instead. Now, once you have the ice in your drinks, you're going to double strain it It didn't come out very frothy.
No, not at all.
And here we have this winter's Cranberry Bourbon Sour. Light on the egg. Let's try it out. So let's try the drink. Now, remember, when you make it for yourself, you put one whole egg white for yourself. We split it up because we wanted some more of that cranberry to come forward. But this would normally have a bigger head of foam around it, which helps to make it a little smoother. So let's try this out.
Cheers. Sniff.
Doesn't have much of a scent to it. It's probably because the egg white is muting the alcohol smell.
And I smell the bourbon.
Mm-hmm. Ready?
Mm-hmm.
Cheers.
Cheers.
So despite the fact that it's only one egg, it's still very smooth.
Silky smooth.
Like almost dangerously smooth to the point where I don't taste the alcohol.
Barely. You get hints of the bourbon, but it doesn't taste like alcohol at all.
It tastes like a cranberry juice that has a little something extra to it.
It's like barreled aged cranberry juice.
That's a good one. Yeah, that's exactly what it tastes like. A barrel aged cranberry juice. I just repeated what he said. I do that often. I call myself doing that a lot. I was like, why am I doing that? So, Kareem.
Yes.
Brew Broz scale,
Brew Broz
1
scale.
to 5. What
Yep.
do you give our Cranberry Bourbon Sour?
First, I'm going to recommend this for any winter event, whether it be a wedding, holiday party. This should be your go-to.
Or at home, because you don't really want to go out.
Yeah.
Make it at home. So easy to make.
So I'm going to give this a 4.5.
Wow. I almost spit everywhere. I was mid-gulp when I was going to say that. That's a pretty high score. So let us know down in the comment below if you agree with Kareem's score or what your score would be. What would you give this drink?
Also, make sure you hit the notification bell. Get notified on our next video. Like, share, comment, and subscribe.
And on that note, peace out, everybody.
Stay fly.
Not too many takes.
Whoop, shit.
Fumbo. The secret.
Secret.
do you want to be checking this out anywhere? Or nah, I'm gonna have to like.
Do it. Do it. Do it. Do it. Yeah, you gross.
Right, you never saw Rocky?
He's gross too.